Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful comparisons. All the links mentioned in this review, including those for the products discussed, are available in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using these banking services. Here at Rome Tips, we're comparing JPMorgan Chase and TD Bank to help you decide which is the better fit for your financial needs. When making this decision, it's crucial to consider your priorities, whether that's broad national coverage, a diverse range of credit cards, convenient branch access, or a personalized banking experience. JPMorgan Chase, a financial giant in the US, boasts a comprehensive suite of financial products. These offerings include checking and savings accounts, a wide selection of credit cards, mortgage options, personal and business loans, and even sophisticated wealth management services. Chase stands out as an excellent option for those who value premium credit card rewards, a vast network of ATMs and branches across the country, and a robust set of tools designed specifically for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Furthermore, Chase's digital banking platform is known for its user-friendly interface and convenient features, enabling easy financial management online or via their mobile app. On the other side of the coin, TD Bank prides itself on being America's most convenient bank. This reputation is built on its extended branch hours, including weekend availability at some locations, and a more community-centric approach to banking. TD Bank's checking and savings accounts are often lauded for their simplicity and options for waiving monthly fees. While it may not have the same global reach or the extensive credit card portfolio of Chase, TD Bank excels in providing exceptional customer service and personalized banking experiences. For those who prioritize face-to-face interaction, longer branch hours, and a more local feel, TD Bank presents a compelling alternative. While TD Bank's physical presence is largely concentrated along the East Coast, they maintain a strong digital platform and are continually expanding their product offerings. However, they may not yet match Chase's breadth of options in areas like credit cards and investment services. Regarding fees, both banks offer various ways to avoid monthly maintenance charges and provide competitive interest rates on certain accounts. Customer service experiences can vary, but both institutions offer multiple support channels, including in-person assistance at branches, phone support, and digital communication options. In summary, if you're seeking a comprehensive financial institution with industry-leading credit card rewards, nationwide accessibility, and extensive resources for small businesses, JPMorgan Chase may be the ideal choice. However, if your priorities include convenient branch access with extended hours, a more community-focused banking environment, and a simplified approach to banking without the need for a vast array of products, TD Bank could be the better fit. Ultimately, carefully weigh your priorities, credit card options, branch accessibility, personalized service, or digital convenience to determine which bank best aligns with your financial needs and lifestyle.